Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Cobiro, a tool that claims to create, manage and grow your business with one guided platform. When that tool launched, I didn't, take so much attention on it, and then I saw the features and okay, I want to take a look at these and see how it works. And they have pretty good partners as Wix, so it could be big one day. Cobiro is a all-around platform that helps you to create an e-commerce with the features that you want and also lets you create Google Ads inside the platform. So it's pretty much a unique tool with different kind of features to let you start a new branding right away. So you can manage projects, build websites, create an e-commerce, and advertise inside the platform. You're gonna get all the future business plan updates, and the difference here will be the number of tiers. With tier 1, you get your website white labeling custom domain, and if you get more tiers, you get more websites. So the difference here will be the number of websites that you can create with the tool. But if you want to create e-commerce for your freelancing, your consulting business, even like for your YouTube channel, you're good to go with 2 websites with tier 1. You're gonna get all the features. So let's take a look at Cobiro. Here's Cobiro, and you have 3 options on the dashboard. The dashboard is clean. This is cool. This is good. So they know how to create a design for a SaaS. So you can connect an existing website to advertise. So you don't need to create a site inside Cobiro to advertise. You can just add your own, or you can create an online store or set up a website or set up an online store. So the first thing you need to do is to create a site or connect one. Let's start creating a website for the sake of that review. You're going to be presented with some templates. Let's say this one. Let's preview this one. You can see that the templates is pretty unique. I like the design. Look at that design. It's pretty cool. Can you see it? Can play the music here. Nice website. Let's take a look at another template for the sake of that review. Here's an e-commerce. Design is clean, as you can see. So for the sake of that review, I'm gonna use the e-commerce template. So here is the builder. They have an assistant to help you to create your website with things that you need to implement. So it will guide you to design a better website. You can connect your own domain, of course. And here is the block strategy to create websites. Just double click on it and you can change it. My new website. Very simple. Let's see the features. Here's the button. You can just add here any link that you want. You can also animate the button, making it fade, for instance. Of course, with the paid plan, you will not have the Cobiro branding here. Here are the products. You can replace the image to another product. You can check your website in different kinds of views. And here on the left, you can add text, button, image, shape, icon, video, or form. Let's say you want to add a form in the end. Just click on the form and drag and drop. And for instance, delete that and add the form here. Drag and drop, pretty simple. And of course, changing the input, just click here on the right and you change the inputs, the placeholder. It's my name now. I think it's pretty simple. Let's say you want to add an image. They have an Unsplash integration. I've just added the image here and just delete that one and add my new one like that. So it's pretty simple to create a new website with Cobiro. It has a develop mode where you can code on it. And when you have a website, you can see your online store and you'll be able here to design a shop and add products. For adding a product, you just need to upload an image, add the name, the brand, the price, have different currencies, as you can see here. So $5. You can add the discount as well. The description here, quantities of products that you have, EU, barcode, paid, shipping, and then you just click on save. Pretty simple to create a new product. You see the orders, customers, and you can set up payments. For payment, they have PayPal, buy now, PayPal checkout, and change shipping and delivery as well. A feature here to add the data of your store. They should add more payment integrations. Right now, I can only see PayPal. You can also add an existing website for using their Google Ads feature. So I've added my website, and here I can promote it using Google Search Ads. As an official partner, you get up to 500 free credits when you use Google Ads with them. I don't know if it works with the lifetime deal as well, but you can advertise in Google using Google Search Ads. You can connect Zapier to connect with your websites, okay? And then use the many integrations that Zapier allows you. So that's Cobiro. With Cobiro, you can create websites, e-commerce store, and also use existing or your new website to run Google Ads. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.